Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding fences for so long, and now, oh, you're a hard one. I know that you got your reasons. They think that I'm pleasing you can hurt you somehow. Don't you drive the queen of diamonds, boy. She'll beat you if she's able. You know the queen of hearts is always your best bet. Now it seems to me some fine things have been laid upon your table, but you only want the ones that you can get.
Desperado, oh, you ain't getting no younger. Your pain and your hunger, they dropped in your home. Oh, freedom, that's just some people talking. Your prison is walking through this world all alone. Don't your feet get cold in the winter? The sky on snow and the sun on shine. It's hard to tell the nighttime from the day. You're losing all your high and lows. Ain't no funny how the feeling goes away.
Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? Come down from your fences. Open the gates. It may be raining, but there's a rainbow above you. You better let somebody love you.
Let somebody love you.
You better let somebody love you before